Also tonight, a Norfolk nightclub is going to have to wait to find out if it can reopen.
No decision today from a judge about Legacy Lounge's conditional use permit, a case that could set a precedent. Council voted to shut down the nightclub over concerns of violence last month. The club's owners took the city to court today, but the outcome is not what they expected, at least yet. 10 to your side's Andy Fox continues our coverage of this saga. Andy.
Yeah, Tom, we're down here at the Norfolk courthouse, and it was suggested in court today that this case could take a year to come to trial. Obviously, the owners want an injunction against the city so they can open up in the meantime. The attorney for the Legacy Lounge says the problem is the city of Norfolk did not build a record on what was wrong before shutting down the lounge.
The complaint was they didn't have uniform security. Well, they backed off of that complaint pretty hard today, and they went on to something else now, that they weren't serving breakfast, which is something that wasn't even discussed with City Council.
In court, it came out the security plan in place to get the conditional use permit to operate was not the security plan that was in place on August 5th.
You have a minimum security plan that the city agreed to, and it was testified that zoning approved a greater security plan with a different company. They had a better security plan than what they bargained for with the city.
But does that give the city an in that there might be a problem with the CUP?
Well, then they could raise that. They could have a hearing on that, and we could have a discussion on that. But that was never discussed.
Legacy Lounge owner Warren Salvadon could be seen in video played in court inside the lounge when chaos erupted.
I can actually contest to what I've seen more than a 7-second clip can. I identify everything that happened that night. It's just the fact that I don't feel like they really cared to know what really happened that night. I think they already had a decision made before they actually even gave me a chance to testify.
We followed Assistant City Attorney Catherine Taylor to ask her about that point. Do you think they have a point where the City Council did not give them a fair hearing, like, for example, to bring in the owner who was there in the video saying this is what was going on? Do you regret that it was handled the way it was?
Again, no comment.
That they only had 20 minutes.
The lack of security is why they shut them down, and the city knew that they don't have that point as a arguable position.
A lot of things unfolding in this case. We're looking for a decision from the judge in the next 2 weeks. In Norfolk, Andy Fox, 10 on your side.
Thank you, Andy. And you can see all of our previous coverage of the downtown Norfolk business debate. And there's several stories here. They're all right now on WAVY.com.